Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good. I am here with a Peachy cheap haul. So, it's on the bag. I'll pull it out, see for myself. This one is Hey Pumpkin, made by Create Paper, American Crafts. Check it out. I gotta stay off Peachy cheap, guys. I really do. It's such a good deal. It's such cute stuff, and Halloween, man. Sucker for Halloween and Christmas. So let's check out the paper. This is what the cover looks like. There are 24 sheets. Oh. 24 sheets, 6x8 paper pad. The month October. Not double-sided. I wish they would double-side stuff. Kill, Boo, Eek, Ghost. Eek, Boo, Eek. Polka dots. Spider web's got this silver look to it. Zigzag. So you would think it would double-sided because the way they got the top going on, but it's not. There's the stars. So basically, they're showing you in the next, yeah, they're showing you in the next paper. There's the stars. Here's the zigzags. Some stars. The little city. This could actually go with the one I got the other day. And I'll show you. I have it sitting very close to me, actually. This one. No. Is it this one? Yeah. Just look at this. There. Just pull this out real quick. Just look at the houses. It practically looks like the same, pretty much the same houses. So that's kind of cool that you can put them together. But give me a quick second. Grabbing the wrong sticker pack, guys. I'm sorry. There we go. These I got, they look good with that too. See, I'm pulling stuff. Sitting here. Who are them made by? Pink. Alright, see, I'm pulling. I'm trying to find what I want to show you. Them would look somewhat good. Oh, I'm getting there. I don't find it in this next. I'll move on. I love stickers. I have an addiction. Oh, there we go. Well, a little bit. That's what I was looking for. But I think I have another puffy stickers that would work with that set as well. At least I'm thinking. I don't quote me. See, I got so many stickers, guys. See, you came in for a Peachy cheap haul, and you're getting a look at my sticker Halloween collection. Like I said, I love Halloween. Of course, I have the new Dollar Tree. There we go. I knew it. There we go. See, I knew it. See, that's the house. So some of these that I purchased in the last month, or weeks, I should say, can coincide kind of. So look at, there's a house. All right, let's move on. There, I just did that. So we have stripes, kitty cat, the Boo to You, the Frankenstein, ghost, cat, candy corn, Jacqueline, witch, bats, dots, moons, candy corn colors, polka dots, jack-o'-lanterns, eek, big polka dots, trick or treat, and boxes. So we got that. That's cool. And we got some washi tape that actually matches. That's kind of cool. Hey pumpkin. Got the stripes, the pumpkins, trick or treat, little goblins, stars, the cats, the spider web, and eek on the bottom. And of course we have the ephemera. So let's check out this ephemera, guys, hey? And as you see, I keep the packaging. I just put it in a bag and I reseal it. And that's why I just cut that off. Okay, let's check out this ephemera. So let's see what's in this. We get trick or treat, broom hair, don't care, spookless Halloween, trick or treat yourself. Just add a pumpkin spice. Just add pumpkin spice. We got spooky. Maybe I in a little bit so you see it. Boo to You. October. Fright Night. Beware. Some sequins. I'm just going to pile them. The Little Witch. Look on the spooky side. The little jack-o'-lantern banner. Spooky 1031 H Halloween night. Boo Eek. Look at Frankenstein. I love you so much it's crazy. Eek. Hocus Pocus. That sequin right there. And some sequins in there. So that's the one. And then here's the bigger pack. So total of ephemera is 40. So we have Trick or Treat, like that. Halloween, Caramel Apple, Trick or Treat, Be Spooky, Carved Pumpkin, Haunted House, Keep Calm plus Eat Candy, Eek, Little Skeleton, the stars that actually look like they could be punched out, a house, it's almost Halloween, a tag with spiderweb, Happy Halloween, Keep Calm, Eat Candy, Scary, Trick or Treat, Happy Halloween, a bat, like a Halloween picture frame, pumpkin, Happy Halloween little card. That is this ephemera pack. Who's this made by? American Crafts. I think I said that. See, a lot of these, like, see, American Crafts. Pebbles. So, I bet a lot of it probably can be close to sided. See, American Crafts. So that's kind of cool that a lot that I purchased can be coincided. Now these I'm going to take out right now. They are ghost tassels. Hey pumpkin. And you get 10 and they go like that. I will not be keeping them like that. I'll tell you that right now. They're so cute though. So that is my Peachy Cheap for this week. I missed one I wanted the other day. I was too late. It was the little monsters. That would have been a cute one too. But this is what I have from Peachy Cheap. I haven't spotted anything the last few days except for the little monster one, and I was a day late. So I just didn't need it, I guess, or I would have been on top of it, right? I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Have a good day, everybody.